Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your HP Pavilion 15. Okay, and let's continue. So the first thing is to select country or region. Sometimes also it'll ask you for the language, but I only have one language version installed on this laptop, so I'm gonna select United Kingdom, then click on yes. Then I'm gonna select the keyboard layout or input method, so I'm gonna set it to my own, which will be here. Then I'm gonna click on yes, and it'll ask you if you want to add a second keyboard layout, so I'm gonna click on skip, but you can add another keyboard layout. Then you need to connect to the network, so I'm just gonna find my Wi-Fi I want to connect to. Then click on connect and type in its password. So let's wait until it checks the network requirements, and in a moment, yes, now I can enter the password. Okay, now the password was entered, so we can click on next and continue with the setup. So now it'll check for updates, and if any are available, it'll update them. So you don't need to click on anything. Sometimes it unfortunately takes really long for them to update, but at least you don't need to click on anything. But in my case, actually, it didn't want it. Now I can rename my device. I'm gonna skip it, so it just goes faster with the setup. Also, connecting to network is mandatory in Windows 11, unfortunately, so there's no workaround. There is a workaround, although it's not official, and I'm not gonna show you that in this video, but you shouldn't actually do it and it's just there's no official way of skipping connecting to network on Windows 11. Now I am really happy that it didn't want to install any updates, so I'm gonna click on sign in, and then I'm gonna sign in to my Microsoft account. So if you don't have the account, you need to create one, because also there's no official way of skipping a Microsoft account on Windows 11, so I'm just gonna log in since I already have an account. Then I'm gonna enter the password. And I just clicked on enter, and it'll log me in. And now you can create the PIN for your account. So I'm gonna quickly create it. You need to enter it twice to confirm. And then you can see, you could have also selected the option to include letters and symbols to make it alphanumerical, but I've made it only numerical. Now you can allow Microsoft to use your location, find your device, then send diagnostic data, then improve inking and typing. It's just up to you which of these you select as yes and which as no. Now if there is any backup, you can from other PCs you can restore it, but I'm gonna click on more options and not restore the backup. But as you can see, you can also select a different backup from a different PC, but I'm gonna set it up as a new PC. It's just up to you. And now it'll ask me, I think, for a few additional things, and will really want to give me a subscription for Microsoft 365, which I'm gonna omit in a moment. So here you can customize your experience, but it doesn't really do anything, so I'm gonna skip it. Then you can use your phone from your PC. I'm gonna skip it, but you can set it up yourself if you want. Then you can select whether you want to backup or don't backup your files. So I'm gonna backup because I don't wanna lose them. Then you'll be asked if you want to keep your phone photos on OneDrive, so I'm gonna skip that. But you can scan the QR code if you want. Then if you want to import browsing data from your other browser, I'm gonna select not now and click on next. Then I'm gonna decline the subscription, which is $130 yearly, and I'm gonna decline the subscription, which is $2 monthly. Then I'm gonna click on next to have Microsoft 365 for free, because there's no other option. If I click on back, then I'll get back. So I just need to click on next. Then it will finish some things up, and I'm in the system, so it is configured. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.